Hi guys, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw my Draw So Cute girl holding a cell phone. So let's get started. To draw this Draw So Cute girl, we're going to first start by drawing her eye. So right here I'm going to start by drawing a circle. And then I'm just going to go right across, say about right here. And I'm just going to draw half of a circle. Okay, this way I just kind of know where her eyes are going to be, and it's easier for me to gauge where to put her hair and her face. So from here, let's make this a Draw So Cute eye first, and I'm going to come in here and draw 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom, and let's shade in the top. If you're more comfortable drawing the hair first and the face, that's totally fine. Just see which way you like better and it's easier for you. Okay, so then from there, I'm just gonna come up here and just draw some lashes, just 2. Now that I have the eyes established, I'm gonna come up right here and just draw a slight curve over the eye. So this is her brow, and let's do the same thing on this side. So I'm just going to stop right there for now. And then from there, I'm going to go right straight in the center. So I'm going to go from right here, go straight up, say about right here for her forehead, because her hair part's in the center. And I'm basically going to draw a curve down. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw a curve that goes all the way down past her eye. And so on this side, it's going to be the same thing, but closer, because this part covers part of her eye. So I'm just going to go down and come about right here. Okay, so then from there I can go ahead and finish this eye now and turn it into a Draw So Cute eye. So I'm going to come in here and just pop out a tiny, maybe part of a circle for a highlight, and another circle and curve at the bottom, and shade in the top. Okay, and then lines at the bottom. There, you can finish off this brow right here. There, so then from there, I'm just gonna bring this down a little bit lower. And same thing right here. Okay, so then now I can come in the center right here and just give her a cute, sweet smile. Cap it off. And then I can go ahead and draw the bottom of her face. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve right across. So away, right there, and up. Okay, so I got her face in now. So now let's come back up right here in the center, and we're going to go up a little bit more, about right here, and that's where her hair is going to part. So that's my center at the top, and I'm just going to dip it in and come back up. And you can come in here, just draw lightly a center line. And from there, we're going to come down. So same thing on this side. So when you're drawing the hair, this side is going to be thinner because this side there's more hair covering her eye. So this side, the hair is going to be thick, wider, and thinner on this side. So just make sure this side is a bit thinner when you're coming down. And just bring it down. So from there, I'm just going to stop for now and draw her body first. So come right here in the center, and I'm going to give her a little neck. And we're going to come down for her shoulders. And then from there, we're going to say about right here, just give yourself a point, so where her armpits are going to be on both sides, about right here. And from there, I'm just going to go ahead and draw an angle line down for her top. So that way it's just a little bit easier to gauge where her arms and her top's going to be. So come right here back and give it a little neckline. So I'm just going to make it really simple, a little curve. And she's wearing a tank top. So right here, I'm going to connect it with a curve on both sides. Okay, so then let's bring this part down a little bit more for her top. And over here, I'm going to stop a little bit. Let's see here, arms. Well, hold on. Let's draw this part first. Let's come down here a little bit more. See which way is a little bit easier. And we're gonna come about right here in the center, and I'm going to add a little ruffle first for the top. So I'm just gonna come wave it over, and I'm gonna pop it out. Okay, so then now I know how low to bring this and her arms. Okay, so now from there, let's draw her arms. We're gonna bring this down. It's because this one's in her pocket, so I kind of have to draw this one first. So let's come here, about right here where her arm's gonna bend. And I'm going to bring in a curve about right there. And from here, I'm just going to draw a thumb. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this down a little bit more, and it's going to come right across. And stop it right there. So on this side, well, okay, let's come here. Sorry. Try to figure an easier way to do this. So let's come back right here in the center, and we're just going to draw a slight angle line. We're going to start to draw her pants. So just draw 2 angle lines out, and imagine this part, her pants are going to start. Okay, now we can draw this side. So let's come here, and we're going to finish her hand. And so it's going to be the same thing as this side. So just kind of imagine it being angled down. And then from there, we're just going to draw a curve. So that's the part I'm trying to say. So her hand's inside her pocket in the pants right here. And then let's just bring this down a little bit more. Okay, so we're going to keep bringing this down for her pants, her jeans. And let's see about... So it's going to get thinner as we go. And as I come to the bottom, I'm going to add some curves into it because it's all bunched up. Here and there, you can add some curves and connect it. And then you can come back in here just with some slight lines to make it look bunched up towards the bottom. Okay, so then let's draw her shoes. So I'm going to come right here, very simple shoes, and connect it. So same thing over here. And let's give some details. So I'm going to come in here with a base and top curve and 2 lines. And if you want to add laces, you just draw a line right across there. Now let's add some more details. So we'll come in here, draw her pocket. So the other pocket's going to be about right there. And so now we can go and draw her other hand. Phew. Okay, so this hand is the most important. It's holding the cell phone. So I'm going to come right here. About right there where it bends. So about right here. And go up. So just make sure it's about the same area. And then we're going to go up. So come here, draw an angle line down. And we're going to start to draw her arm. So come in this area right here, we're going to draw her thumb. So come out with thumb, 1, curve. And then in here, I'm going to pop in a cell phone. So let's see here. You're just going to imagine an angle. We're going to be drawing a rectangle. Goes through. So this part's a little tricky, but we just want to draw a nice size rectangle. And as we come about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and pop out her fingers. So it's kind of like an angle. So just put 3 of them and connect it right here, your cell phone. And then you can just go ahead and finish this off. And I'll go in there with some details later. And so then from there, let's just finish off her hair. I'm going to bring this down. And so same thing on this side, just nice and easy all the way down for her long, gorgeous hair. And then you can bring this down a little bit more. Add some details. And let's see here. And of course, you're going to give her a little heart right here because she is a Draw So Cute girl. And let's see, I added a ruffle here. So I'm just going to add some lines right here where it bunches up. The hardest thing is always trying to figure out what kind of outfit to give these girls. So hopefully you've loved my outfit so far. Okay, now let's see here. Details for the cell phone. So I'm going to switch to a thinner Sharpie just because it's so small. And I'm going to come in here and give it some detail. So come in here, just give it an outline. And so towards the bottom is going to be thicker. Maybe at the bottom right here is this button. So hopefully you can see that. And then because it's so small, I'm just going to go ahead and just draw a big heart. Maybe a heart emoji. So that's what's on my cell phone. And I'm just drawing a small little angle line to make it look like it's glass. And that is about it for this Draw So Cute girl holding a cell phone. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys love it. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.